What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today we're going to be talking on a platform called iPrime Capital or Intelligence Prime Capital. Today is January the 1st, 2022, and we're getting the year started off right with some very amazing platforms. And Intelligence Prime Capital is definitely one of those platforms. So we're going to talk about that today. All right, before I get started, I want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube that's showing you guys how I am cranking that crypto out of many, many different platforms. Nothing more, nothing less. That's just how we roll here at BOJ, all right? I know I'm in a lot. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified and updated about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well, y'all. iPrime Capital, Intelligence Prime Capital. I've been in it for maybe 3 or 4 days now, so I'm learning while I'm earning, right? It is a platform that has an AI bot. That's my main interest. I wanted to be able to put some funds or some crypto into this platform, and I wanted to trade for me, okay? And that's what we've been doing. As a matter of fact, I want to take some time to go to the Telegram group and show you guys a stat that has just been dropped for the month of December, all right? And these are the December results for 2021, all right? Hopefully everyone can see that. It says the Genius Bot, today, 1.53%. Now, this is only the stats for the Genius Bot, okay? Today, it was 1.53, all right? Or yesterday. Hey, was this yesterday or today? It says today, so I'm just going to say today. This week, it traded at 7.83%. All right, Monday through Friday, it trades, okay? And then this month, it has traded, in the month of December, it traded at 41% for the month. That is amazing, especially for a platform that has been around and has been doing this thing for a few months. It's been doing this thing. I don't even really know the official start date of this platform, but I know I'm excited about it. So let's go ahead and get into the actual back office here. I want to share with you guys where I am at this point. And then I'm going to go over something that I've been getting some questions about, and I want to make sure that everyone understands how to do, all right? So as you can tell, the department manager rank I have achieved, all right? And I'm excited about that because we're trying to get to a certain rank, one of the shareholder ranks, before they grandfather in this new self-investment thing. So as you can tell on this ranking measurement here, my personal investment only has to be $100. All right. And I'm a regional manager right now. Okay. But that is going to change on the 17th of January. Okay. And we've talked about this before, and I'll do another video on it later. If you want to see what I was talking about, go to one of the previous videos. Matter of fact, I got some time. I can make these videos as long as I want. So I'll just show you guys after I do this what I'm talking about. But they're going to start implementing something that I really like. And that means as you grow and to get into these different plans, you're going to have to put some of your own skin in the game. And the reason I like that so much is because there's so many people, there's so many people that just talk about things and don't really know what they're talking about. That's one. But apparently in this platform, there was a lot of people that were able to just come in and do really, really well, but they didn't have to put no skin in the game on their own, which does not help the sustainability of the company as a whole, all right? So here's what I want to show you. Now, I know when I show you guys this graphic that it says January 3rd, but I got an email, and there's a notification on here as well that says it's not the 3rd, it is the 17th. They're trying to give the teams and leadership more time to get acclimated to this new system that's going to be going forward. So as you can see, I'm a department manager right now. Now, I do have a self-investment at this point of $3,000 because I've just been compounding all my earnings from my commissions and also my trades that went on for the first week this week. I put that right back in, okay? But it says you got to have $3,000 of self-investment. So I'd be cool. I'd be good here, all right? All I got to do is get my group sales of 30K, right? And I'm halfway there. I'm at 15K right now. To get to regional manager, I need a self-investment of $5,000, okay? So in my thinking, it's pretty much, it's what's working out so far is as people continue to come in and my group sales increase, so does my commission, and so does my balance in USDT that's on the website. All I got to do is just keep rolling that in. That's like house money that's going to make sure that when I get to this level, I'm good. But until that January 17th date, you don't have to have this self-investment in. All you have to have is a minimum of $100. So all of you link sharers out there, this is a very unique opportunity. From the 1st of January to the January 17th, where they actually make these changes right here, you could be a managing director or a shareholder director, and these are two positions that allow you to get shares in the company's monthly global bonus without having to put $10,000, $20,000 in. That's a very unique opportunity to have. And it's not going to last very long. All right, so I just wanted to share that. That's a quick little tidbit there. But I don't want to spend too long on that. Let me get back into the website. I want to show you guys how to do something real quick because I've been getting questions about this. I'm going to do a few other things, and then I'm going to be done, I promise. We're going to talk about the promotion that's on right now. We're not going to hold you guys too long, all right? So people have been asking me, hey, Gerald, I've been trying to do my deposit, but I don't have a TRC wallet, and, you know, I've been trying to find one, but in the meantime, you've been saying that you can put in through Bitcoin. How do I find it? I don't know where to look. It's not here, or whatever the case may be, okay? So I want to walk through how you actually make a deposit in that system, okay? So I want you all to pay attention. We're going to go to Transaction tab under the Navigation tab here, all right? And if you don't have this, then contact support. Support's email is on the home page at the top right of the screen. But if you do have this side, I need everybody to go to Transaction and go to Funding, okay? Now, we all know you cannot get your referral link without funding your account and buying a bot. So you can't share this without going through the process. So as you see on this page, it says TRC here and BTC, all right? You have to click on the one that you want. If you do not see this, contact support. Support's email is on the home page of the website at the top right of the screen. But if you click on Transaction, it comes down and you click on Funding, you should see TRC wallet address here. Click on BTC. You see the BTC wallet address here. I put in Bitcoin. All you got to do is put in whatever amount of Bitcoin you want in here. It's going to grab it. This is a personalized wallet address for your account, okay? After you have done that, it has passed its transactions and done all that stuff, done the confirmations and everything, you will see your BTC reflected in the USDT wallet area, okay? It's not going to say Bitcoin. It's going to say USDT. That's where you will see your transaction reflected, even if you put in Bitcoin, all right? So I want to make sure that's clear. When it's here, all right, that is when you want to go to subscription, and that is when you want to click on a bot. Now, obviously, I can't click on a bot because I've already paid my one-time subscription fee for the Genius bot, which is the best bot in the plan, and obviously it is because it's got 38,000 people with it, okay? 420 with the Brilliant, 389 with the Smart. I mean, it's $100 to have the best bot in the system. Why not just go ahead and get it, right? If you put in $1,000 and you go ahead and you get the bot, that's $100, right? So what you would do after you've topped up your account, you click on subscribe, okay? It's going to allow you to put in your bot. It's going to have the bot price up, and it's going to have the total amount that you want to put in to the bot and paying for the bot. So for example, if I put in $200, 100 of that 200 is going to pay for the bot. And then the rest of that 200 is going to go into the MT4 trading capital system. All right? So it's really that simple. Of course, I can't go through it now because I've already done it and bought my bot. It's a one-time fee. So once you pay that one-time fee, you're good. Your bot's just going to be working for you, all right? So when you get it in there, and sometimes when you start sharing this information, you're going to get a deposit. When you get your trades, you're going to get a little deposit in your USDT account. And if you want to put that right back into the market, all you got to do is click on internal transfer, and it will give you the option to put it in your trading capital account. Of course, this platform has Google Authenticator, which I love. So we're going to go ahead and put our 2FA in there. Also, I have finished my KYC process, so that is done. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. It's all good to go. No big red notifications on my homepage. And I'm free to promote as high as I want to. All right? They have some disclaimers here. They come up every time. You know, if you disregard the above, it's at your own risk. All right? So let's take the last few minutes here, and we're going to talk about the new plan that they have, the new promo that they have, all right? So this new year promotion, okay, says I'm going to hide my face here. We are excited to celebrate this festive month with you with a special giveaway event. Enjoy amazing rewards from us this new year on top of your existing rewards. This is the season to be jolly, all right? And the promo period started on the 31st. And it's going to March 31st, y'all. So these stats are all stats that you are accumulating from the 31st to March 31st, okay? And here are the rewards. If you get 10,000 in personal sales, now I want to note this. All of these plans are personal sales, okay? So that means you got to get out there and do the work, okay? You get 10,000 in personal sales, they're going to send you either the headphones or $100. Now, in my experience with platforms like this, they just usually credit your account with this money, and then they allow you to go and buy, you know, headphones if you want to, or you can go buy whatever you want with that $100, or you can reinvest it if you want to. All right, so that's that. At 20K personal sales, they're going to give you a projector/phone worth $300. All right, or just $300. At 50K sales, they're going to give you the option between air conditioner, refrigerator, or an LED TV worth $900. So I'm just going to say they're going to give you $900. All right. 100K personal sales, they're going to give you $2,000 to put up towards a brand new laptop, and you can get a brand new MacBook for $2,000. I've seen it. All right. Now, before I go into these last two prizes, one thing that I really like about these rewards is they're all rewards that you can use towards building your business, all right? You can use headphones to stay tuned with what's going on your phone, computers, whatever businesses you're trying to be a part of. You can use your projector and your phone to do presentations, as well as your refrigerators to hold the snacks that's for those presentations. And then, of course, you get your laptop. You can run your whole presentation and do as much as you want to do on your laptop, all right? When you get to 300K in personal sales in this promo period, you're going to get a 5-day, 4-night round trip, 5-star hotel trip to Dubai, y'all. And that stay is worth $9,000. So you know it's going to be slamming out there, all right? And if you get 500K in personal sales, not only will they send you to Dubai for that 5-day, 4-night round trip with 5-star hotel stay, they're going to give you a brand new car worth $40K. So not only will you get the Dubai stay, the 5-star stay, but you will get a brand new car worth $40K. It says branded, but maybe it's they're going to put IP Capital on it. I don't know. All right, here are some terms and conditions. Personal sales include accumulated sales achieved within the promo period, all right? All prizes are not stackable, and reinvests are considered as new deposit sales, okay? All rewards will be distributed after the promo events end, so you won't get any of the prize money until after the 31st. And then, of course, IPC management team reserves the final rights to alter any details of the promotion and the final decision on the winners. It's their company. They can do whatever they want to do. That's my stance on that. All right, so I wanted to share that with you guys. I know my videos on Intelligence Prime Capital are fairly lengthy, but there's so much going on with this platform all the time, and we're new, all right? So we're just trying to figure this thing on out, and we're doing just that. We're at department manager. I've got 59 referral signups. I think that'll be at 100 by the time next week comes, and we're talking about Saturday, January, what is that, the 8th? I think that'll be the 8th. So, yeah. So when we're talking on the 8th, I believe we'll be getting really, really close to either that managing spot or that shareholder spot. I'm claiming it right now. We can make fast moves in this thing, and it really is amazing what this trader is doing. For those of you that are still watching, I'm going to jump into my closed trade reports, and I'm going to see how this thing traded for this week. All right? Some of you have already seen this, but I have a total of 6 trades this week. All right? Only 2 days of trading, Thursday and Friday. But I tell you what, when you talk about undefeated, you better talk about IP Capital, because profit, all no negatives in my profit bar. All right. So it literally won every single trade all week, and I'm excited about it. You know, and the trade value is only going to continue to raise as my balance in the trading capital area raises. And, you know, I'm excited about what this platform can do. I'm going to just keep on compounding in my USDT wallet, because why not? It's trading for me. It's on a ledger, so I'll be able to look at what the trades have been doing. And the bot has been doing its thing. The Genius bot is the best bang for your buck. It is worth that $100, and it's trading 3 to 4 times a day. The other bots aren't trading that often. All right. So with that being said, I know that was a lot. It was a mouthful on iPrime Capital, but I really do believe that this is a platform that a lot of people can grow with. All the new YouTubers out there, you should consider doing some videos on some of these platforms that you're still learning and growing through, because there's value in the lessons that you learn along the way. And if you ever get anything wrong, just come back and make it right. You know, it's okay to do that. So if I ever say anything wrong in iPrime Capital and I find out, oh man, I should have said that better, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to hop back on here, and I'm going to try my best to clear that up. All right? That's just the responsibility that we have in our own journeys. We got to be accountable to ourselves as much as anybody else. And sometimes that self-accountability is what we need. You just got to tell yourself, we got to get better. All right? Just a little, little extra little sauce in there for you. Please put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is the wild, wild west. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It is not very fun. All right. If you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified on everything going on here at BOJ, but only if you want to be notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. This is iPrime Capital. I am now a department manager, y'all. And we're going to keep on cranking that crypto. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully I answered that question about people trying to get in with Tether and Bitcoin. It looks to still be functioning, at least on my computer. I'm not sure what you guys are seeing on your end, but it should be very easy for you to do so. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.